What's going on, y'all, man? I'm back with another unboxing video, man. Coming from Amazon. Yeah, I got used to that Amazon Prime. I get my stuff extra quick, boy. Extra quick, boy. Let's get straight to it, man. What's going on? 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 Let y'all see what I got, man. Well, y'all already know probably by the title. Yeah, by the title, they already know what I got. Oh well, let's just get straight to it, man. I ain't putting no editing in this. I'm doing this right on the channel. Using keys to open that. I don't know what y'all use, but I use keys. That's right. Yeah, that's right. That's right, son. Yeah. Right, y'all already know what I got though. And let's get straight to it. I've been needing one of these, man, for my videos. My fiance still don't know what it is, so she over here looking silly. But y'all know what it is. She don't know what it is, but y'all know. Look at it, looking salty. Let me stop playing. You still don't know what it is. Look at it, it don't got nothing on this box. There we go. Y'all ready? First thing first. Okay, this is what we got first. Coming out the box. I'm assuming this is the tripod. I know what you're thinking. So Woody, you already got a tripod. Where you get that from? Yeah, I'm right. It's the tripod, y'all. I know you're thinking, oh, what the? We'll get a tripod for? The tripod stand, of course it get way longer than this. See what's in this little box. Oh, okay. Ain't nothing but some mounts. Oh shoot. Bluetooth remote shutter. Oh, it say for Android and iOS. I don't need that. Not gonna be using that. Let's get straight to it, shall we do it? What you think it is? Yeah. You said what?
The ring light.
Yeah. yeah. Whee! Whee! Got my ring light, let's get it. But yeah, y'all finally got me a ring light, man. Y'all want me to test it out? Pretty sure y'all do. Alright, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna turn the ring light on and see if y'all can tell the difference between the quality of the video. Alright, y'all, so I just let the legs out on the tripod and I attached the ring on top. Man, this shit bright in the mud, man. But look, I still got my camera sitting on that, on my portable tripod, so I'm about to have to put it on this ring in a minute, but I'm trying to get this angle right before I do that. Only bad thing about this, I feel like is they could have made this cord longer, and they should have made it like a wall adapter cord instead of USB. But I don't know, that's kind of convenient too, having it as a USB. So I can't complain. Let's see.
What's this?
That's like a camera mount. That's why I'm like, I'm surprised they ain't got no screw. Right, how did this? Oh, that tighten it. This tighten it up right here. Then this, I guess, slide on here. How did? See. How you do this, sis? Sit. Sister. Oh, there we go. Boom. I'm a little too dark for y'all. Don't worry about it. Check me out. Where it go? Let me see. Boom. Boom, ba-da-doo. Do 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 do. Screw that on. Hey, I'm looking at it through this. This check gonna be so quick. Alright, y'all, so unfortunately this tripod mount was actually made for phones, so there's no way I could really actually mount my camera. Like I got it on like in the weirdest way possible, like the edge of camera is mounted onto the hooks, like this. It's just hanging off to the side. But yeah, this quality is amazing. This ain't even as bright as it goes. Let me turn it up. Yeah. Now y'all see me? Y'all calling me ugly the other day. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, I like that. See, yeah, show my melanin. Show my melanin in me. Yeah, this nice, man. I'm glad I got this ring light. But yeah, y'all comment down below what y'all think about this unboxing and review. You feel me? It could get brighter. Oh, dang. That's crazy. I'm be making professional videos. In a minute, I'm gonna give me a green screen, man. But alright, y'all, smash the like button and yeah, subscribe to the channel. I see I've been getting some subscribers, man. Hope y'all start talking to your boys. Shoot, comment on my videos. That's what I really want. Comment on my videos. I appreciate y'all subscribing, but talk to me though. Well, shoot, I'm gonna hit and wrap this up, man. Stay tuned. I'm gonna drop another video soon. Before I end this video off, man, I want to say this one more time, y'all. Make sure y'all like the video. Drop some likes on the video, man. Please, dang, man. And make sure you comment, man. Comment, bro. I want to chop it up with y'all, man. Let me test some. I ain't see this one. I'm saying I don't like the blue tint. No, I don't like that blue jump. This is nice. White light. I like the white light. Either the white light or the this one. But this blue, I'm straight. Unless it's like in a night scene, like if I'm in a dark room, then I probably use the blue. But alright, oh shoot, look, I keep messing up. Y'all, like the video, man. Give my video a thumbs up, please, for real. And comment down below. Alright, this video over with. I'm done talking. Alright, we done? Alright, goodbye.